Hi everyone, welcome back to our math channel, Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, we are going to see how to do addition using base complement method. We can call it to be as dropping tens method or line addition also we can say. This method enables us to add the digits very easily in less time. So let's see what it is. Addition bar method. In Vedic math, this method is also known as Dashamshaha, means dropping tens method or line addition method also we can say. Now, if you can see all these numbers, 1 to 9 numbers, we will represent as it is over here. And coming to the other numbers like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. How do we represent these numbers? Let us see now. If you observe, I have taken only till 18 because 9 is the largest single digit number. If I take 9 plus 9, it is 18. So that's why I have stopped only till 18. So let's see how do we write 10. 10 means 1 bar and 0 I will write. 11 means how do we represent? One small bar and 1. What does it mean? The bar represents 110. Instead of writing it as 10, we are representing as bar. You can take it as one small dot also, dot method also we can say. Now 12 can be represented as small bar and 2. 13 also a small line and 3. 14 we can write it as small line and 4. You can call it as line or bar. Anything is correct. Small line and 5. Now 16 means how do we write? Yes, it is small bar and 6. 17 small line and 7. 18 again small bar and 8 will be writing. Now if I am writing it to be a small bar and 4, what does it mean? You should understand that it is 14. If I am taking it to be a small bar and 7, it means 17. How do I represent 12? Small bar and 2. So let us see how we'll be using these bars along with these numbers in this addition bar method. So let's start with some examples. Now let's check with an example how to use the bar method. Let us add these numbers 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 9. The first step is always we have to start from the bottom of the numbers. So first we will take it as 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is how much it is? 14. So 14 means how do we represent? 1, 10 and 4 means 1 bar and 4. Now this 4 you add it to 8, the above number, just the above number. So 4 plus 8 is 12. Again 12 means how do we write? We have discussed in the previous slide. 12 can be written as 1 bar and 2. That means a bar represents 10 here. 10 and 2. It is 12. So now just add this 2 to the above number. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is how much? It is 11. So 11 means again we will get 1 bar and 1 ones. This one we will be writing in the answer. The next step is now count how many bars are there. 1, 2, 3. So 31 is a sum. So this arrow marks and these numbers I have taken so that you will understand how to do the addition. Now let's see the same sum without using this arrow marks and writing these numbers. Only we use bars. Now the same addition, how to do, let's see 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 9. So 9 plus 5, 14. So 14, 1 bar. Just above that number you draw a bar and 4 you have to keep in your mind. 4 plus 8, 12. So 12 will represent bar 10. So 2 keep in your mind. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 means one more bar. And 1 you write it in your answer. So now count how many bars are there. 1, 2, 3, 31. The same sum. This is the way how you have to do. I have shown with the arrow marks in the previous slide. Now actually you have to do it in this manner. Let's add these numbers now. 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5. So we are starting from the bottom. 5 plus 8, it is 13. 13 means 1 bar we will take and keep 3 in your mind. Just to the above number you added. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 1 bar, keep 6 in your mind. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 means 1 bar, 4. This 4, we will take it as the first part of our answer. Now count how many bars are there. 1, 2, 3. So 34 is your sum. Actually, no need to write it over here. To make you understand, I have written here. Just you can draw the bar and keep the number in your mind and add it to the above number. Let's check with one more example. Let us add these numbers and check what's the sum. So we have to start it from the bottom. 5 plus 9, we will start. 5 plus 9 is 14. So 1 bar and keep 4 in your mind. 4 plus 7 is 11. So 1 bar, keep 1 in your mind. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 is a single digit number, so no bar. 7 you add it to 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Again it's a single digit number. 9 plus 5, 14. So 14 you are having 110. So 1 bar we will take, keep 4 in your mind. 4 plus 8, 12. So again 1 bar and 2 keep in your mind. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. This 9, the final one, whatever we are getting, we will take it to be as first part of our answer. Now count how many bars are there. These are dropping tens, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. So 49 is our sum. 4 tens and 9 ones. One more example. Let's do it quickly. Start from the bottom. 6 plus 6, 12. So 1 bar. Keep 2 in your mind. 2 plus 9, 11. So 1 bar, again drop 10. Keep 1 in your mind. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 means 1 bar. Keep 3 in your mind. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is a single digit number. So 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means we have to take 1 bar and keep 0 in your mind. 0 plus 6 is 6. Now 6 plus 8, it is 14. 14 means we will take 1 bar and this 4 will be the first part of your answer. Now how many bars count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 54 is our sum. Let's see, what do we mean by balancing rule or balancing method? We have seen in the previous videos also. I'll share the link in the description. Let's see what it is. For example, 32 and 54 we are getting. First part of our answer and the second part. So what we do, the first thing 4 as it is we will write. 5 plus 2 it is 7 and 3 as it is. So 374 will be our answer. Let's see one more example. 9 as it is. You add 8 plus 6. So 8 plus 6 is 14. What we will do, this 10th digit, the 1, we will be adding it to 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and 4 as it is, it will be here. So 749 will be your answer. This is called balancing rule. We are balancing the numbers over here. Now see, if 3 digits are there, 3 parts of your answer means when we are adding 3 digit numbers. So first as it is, we will start it from our right hand side. 6 as it is, we will write. So you add 5 plus 2, it is 7. Now go to the next one. 3 plus 5, it is 8. So 2 as it is. So the answer is 2876. One more example with carryover we'll see now. 7 as it is we will write. Now 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. What we will do, the tens place, we will take it as a carryover. So 4 plus 1 it is 5. Now 5 plus 4 we will be doing, it will be 9 and 2 as it is we will write here 9. Now the next number 5 plus 3 it is 8 and 6 as it is. So the answer will be 68,927. This balancing rule we'll be using now. We'll see some 2 and 3 digit numbers. Now let's see one example with the items which has been purchased. The cost of the pencil box is 44 rupees, teddy bear rupees 95, a storybook is 78 rupees, toffee you can take it as 24 rupees, wafers rupees 15, a ball 32 rupees and a doormat is 69 rupees. Now let us find the sum of this, the total bill. So we'll start from the bottom, from the tens place onwards. 6 plus 3 we will start. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 means 1 bar. Keep 0 in your mind. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 means no 1 bar. Keep 8 in your mind. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 1 bar. So 12 means we will write 2 over here now. So now count how many bars are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. So 3. So 32 is the first part of our answer. Now we'll move on to the next line. Again start from the bottom. Same method. 9 plus 2. 11. So 1 bar. Keep 1 in your mind. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 means 1 bar. Keep 0 in your mind. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 means 1 bar. Keep 3 in your mind. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 we will write it over here. Now count how many bars are there. 1, 2, 3. 37. Now we will use the balancing rule over here to get the answer. So the step is 7 as it is we will be writing. So we will add now 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. And this 3 as it is we will write. So the total bill is rupees 357. Now let's see one more 2-digit addition. Let's add all these numbers. We will start from the tens place onwards. From down itself, bottom. 4 plus 7, it is 11. So 1 bar over here, keep 1 in your mind. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. So 1 bar, keep 5 in your mind. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 bar, keep 1 in your mind. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. So keep a bar and write 7 over here. Now count how many bars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 47. Now we'll move on to the next line. So again start from the bottom. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So 1 bar, keep 8 in your mind. 8 plus 6, 14. So again drop 10 as a bar and take 4 in your mind. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. So 1 bar, keep 5 in your mind. 5 plus 7 is 12. Take a bar and drop the 2 over here in your answer. Now count how many bars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 42. Now we will be using the balancing rule. 2 as it is we will write it over here. Now this 4 plus 7. How much it is? 11. But we can't write 2 digits over here, only 1 digit. So we will take the tens place as carryover. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So the sum of all these numbers is 512. Here we can write it as a bar. If you want, you can put a small dot also. It's up to your convenience how you want to use it. Let's check with one more example, 2-digit addition. Let's add all these numbers. So as usual, we will start from the bottom, from the tens place onwards. 8 plus 6, 14. So we will drop the 10 as a bar and 4 keep in your mind. 4 plus 7, it is 11. So 110 as a bar and keep 1 in your mind. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. So 1 bar, keep 3 in your mind. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 9 plus 6 is 15. So keep 1 bar and 5 write it over here. Now count how many bars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens it is. So 4 we'll write it here. So the first part of your answer is 45. We'll put a one partition as a bar and we will move on to ones place. Again start from bottom. 9 plus 6, 15. So 1 bar we'll take. Keep 5 in your mind. 5 plus 9, 14. So 1 bar. 4 plus 8, it is 12. 1 bar, keep 2 in your mind. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 1 bar, keep 2 in your mind. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now count the bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 48. Now we will use the balancing rule. It is 8 as it is we will write. 5 plus 4 is 9 and 4 as it is. So the sum of all these numbers is 498. This method is very helpful to us because here we are dropping 10 and taking only the ones digit place. So the addition becomes very easy for us. If not 14 plus 8, again 22 plus some number. So keeping all that numbers, the addition becomes difficult. By dropping 10, our work is becoming very easy. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, Math Bridges Fun with Math. Meet you all in the next video.